In the bumpy streets of Brussels, bicycles can take a beating. This workshop has more than just repairs and second-hand bikes to offer. Here at the Cyclo Workshop, the long-term unemployed with no diplomas and few prospects are taught to strip a bicycle down and put it back together. The training program takes 3 years, and at the end it helps these qualified bike mechanics find jobs in a small but growing industry. Program coordinator Gerben van der Abele says learning to work a bicycle properly requires highly specialized skills.
It's mechanics. It's the same general idea. Bicycle is smaller, but it's as complex as a car. There's the same amount of small pieces that have to come together and make it work.
City officials say Brussels suffers from a high rate of unemployment, peaking at 33% in one neighborhood. Van den Abele says this government-supported project helps the social economy by creating jobs in the clean transport industry. And in some less affluent neighborhoods filled with immigrants, the bicycle has become more popular where it was once seen as the poor man's vehicle.
It used to have an image problem because young immigrants used to dream about having a car, having a motorcycle, whatever. And you see that there's more and more use of bicycles also in these, let's say, poorer communities.
Officials say bicycles are enjoying a comeback across the city, and their goal is to have 10% of the city's residents cycling to work by 2009. A government campaign has driven the number of cyclists up to 4% from just 1% 2 years ago. Still, a much higher 17% of people working for the EU's institutions use their bikes every day. Brussels Mobility Minister Pascal Smets says cycling is still cultural.
We are seeing that actually today that the people who start using a bike in the city are mainly young urban professionals, well educated, very often white people.
In Brussels there are plans to introduce 5,000 more renter bikes by next year. And cycling enthusiasts say they hope new cycle lanes and priority signs will make biking easier. Some see positive side effects to rising fuel prices and environmental concerns. Bernard De Hey is with an organisation that advocates for better bicycle access in Brussels.
Over here in Europe, we've had the chance to understand the phenomenon and to realize it really is time to react now, not in 10 to 20 years when it will be too late. And so it's one of the reasons why more and more European countries have decided to promote bicycles more aggressively.
And cyclists say with more bikes on the road, the quality of life in Europe's crowded cities can only improve. Nina Mreepots for VOA News, Brussels.